Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z6857A. 93,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. The Impala is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. This Impala has the flip and fold seat feature. Seat bottom flips forward, giving you hooks perfect for plastic grocery bags. Everything's covered in hard plastic, makes it very easy to clean if it gets wet or dirty. Seat back can then fold flat for additional cargo space. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large easy to read gauges, temperature and compass display in the dash, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, dual zone temperature control, cup holders, storage in the armrest, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger, and a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. Along with those 300 horses, EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon, in the city average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6857A to 66244.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.